Welcome. Meet ORCHID, a personalized mood tracking and journaling application. Today, I will be walking you through the basic features and functionalities of this app. ORCHID was designed to be secure, accessible, and personalized. Making an account with ORCHID is simple. Select your username, password, and you're ready to go. Before you create an account, we'd like all our users to please read our privacy policy. ORCHID is 100% committed to protecting your privacy. As you can see in our privacy policy, it states that in particular, we do not redistribute or sell personal information collected on our web servers, meaning that you can trust that your personal mental health information is safe with us. When you create a user profile on ORCHID, there are only 2 steps. Upload a profile pic and select what you would like ORCHID to call you. It doesn't have to be a picture of you. It could be a picture of a tomato. And it doesn't have to be your actual name. You could call yourself Unicorn or whatever you want. As I said, we're not here for your information. We are here to help you on your journey towards wellness. Before we talk about the basic 4 features of ORCHID, we are going to talk a little bit about accessibility. Accessibility is very important because we wanted to make ORCHID as available to everyone as possible. No one should be excluded from using ORCHID due to their limitations. In a little bit, we will circle back to talk more about colorblind mode. But for now, we're going to continue on and talk about wellness. In wellness, you can explore the benefits of essential oils and learn how they work. You can also use the essential oils search engine to look up an oil or symptom you may be having. For instance, if you are suffering from stress, you could look that up, find that lavender oil helps with that, and through ORCHID, you can actually purchase the oil and have it sent directly to you. In your journal, you can journal about whatever you want, however you want, with ORCHID's text and audio journaling. Your calendar keeps track of everything for you. All your journal entries and mood check-ins will be here. Simply search any date and you can see how you were feeling that day. Mood tracking is easy with ORCHID. All you have to do is complete mood check-ins on as regular a basis as you like, and you'll see your progress on ORCHID's intuitive mood graph. Now let's get into the actual app. ORCHID is defined as a mood tracking and journaling app. So first, let's talk about mood journaling. Mood journaling is to help you vent your thoughts and emotions. There are suggested prompts in case you aren't sure what you want to talk about. You can create a new entry, you can say start, tap to start recording, or write a new entry instead. Now we're going to talk a little bit about the difference between mood journaling and mood check-ins. A mood check-in is just a short blip of how you're feeling in a moment that you want to record and put on your graph. When you do a new check-in, it's very similar to the options you have for a new journal entry. You can say start to tap to start recording, or write a new entry instead. For the purposes of this demo, I am going to tap to start recording. We are now recording our mood. Our mood's recorded. As you can see, it was translated from speech to text. We have rated it, and we have saved it, and we are moving on. Now, what's all this personalization I've been talking about? ORCHID is committed to making you feel safe within our app. We want you to feel at home, which is why you can select your favorite color to change ORCHID's look to fit your needs. For the purposes of this demo, I will just be showing you the blue color scheme and the red color scheme. However, keep in mind that all of the colors of the rainbow are available on ORCHID. Now let's go back to privacy. Privacy is very important, and although you have a secure password to get you in, sometimes you might forget to log off. So we've created a passcode. All you do is create your passcode, and then no matter if you forget to log off, you can trust that your information is still 100% secure on ORCHID. As I said, we're going to go back and talk about accessibility a little bit, so let's do that now. In your drop-down settings menu, you can go to your accessibility settings. We're going to turn on colorblind mode, just to give you a preview of what that looks like. Users can go through onboarding in colorblind mode and access any portion of the app. Having disabilities or limitations should not exclude anyone from using ORCHID. ORCHID was designed to be secure, accessible, and personalized. Thank you for your time.